What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Trying to make another vlog for you, little weekend vlog, happy Saturday, although this video is probably gonna go up on Wednesday, I think, next week. So yeah, so today I am going out on a little bike ride. My brother-in-law's coming over. We're just gonna do a little short 20-kilometer loop. I'm still trying to sort of find, these stairs sound terrible. I'm still trying to find sort of like little loops and stuff that we can do. This one's only, I think it's about 22 kilometers. Just kind of like a little loop round down near Poole. So Poole towards Harrogate, Harrogate roundabout towards Leeds, right at the bottom of Harewood Bank, and then along sort of like Otley Road back into Poole again. Just as sort of like a little round route and everything, so just giving that a go. So come along and join us. I'm going to try and film some of it. I might do, I might not. We'll have to see how it goes. So come and join us.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song. Now we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks your heart to move to the city in a broke down car. And 4 years on call, and now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar.
It's finally made it. I'm going to be that arsehole that films you now.
Sorry?
Be that arsehole that films you now. Thanks.
Go, mate.
Thanks.
What are you flapjack?
Weirdo. He's a bit of a strange lad, but we do like him. I want to watch you now.
Put it back out.
Yeah, and try
Put it on there.
and put it on there.
Not gonna happen, is it, mate?
No, it is. Come on.
No, give it a whirl, give it a whirl, get the pink blanket on.
I still can't believe that you won't use cleats.
These are my cleats, look.
They're not cleats though, mate. You need to sort that out.
Properly the cleats, look.
They're not cleats.
Properly.
Whatever, you weirdo. Just get the bike out. Because you're as bad as my sister. I'll be here just after 12. And it's nearly half 12 now.
But someone's hit a tree on King's Road.
Have they?
Yeah, for real.
Shit. Yeah, that way round. So it needs to go on to this one here. And then just pull them over so they're out of the way. It needs to go onto the rubber bit, mate.
Right, okay. That one on there.
And then just, so what you do now is where that is there, like that. So that should, in essence, just needs to come forward a little bit. That's why it won't go on properly. Onto there like that.
It's quite easy, these, aren't they?
Yeah, and then that just
So,
straps on, and then we just pull it
clip. Wicked.
tight.
Easy. Not too bad, was it? You expect that, did you, Mr. Ball?
Just eating the flapjack. Zaff, are you ready to go?
Yeah. Ready.
Right, let's go get out on the bikes. Got man down, a little bit of a stop. I say man down, that's not technically correct. Still just waiting for Zaff to catch up. Should be here shortly. So at the moment, that way is Harrogate. Behind me is on the way into Leeds. I haven't filmed any riding yet because there's been too many cars. It's a little bit too dangerous. But hopefully Zaff will be here soon. Here he comes! He's made it! Mr. Shah!
How you doing, my mate?
I'm alright, how are you?
Stopped for my friggin' heart rate.
Did you?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I looked at him like, damn! Where's it gone?
It's alright that bit though, isn't it? It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Little pit stop and then we'll carry on. Alright, cool. Hey! We are on now.
Just gonna give a big shout out to my family living next.
Such a weirdo.
I don't want to give too much away, do it, Paul?
You do realise that this is...
I just given that. Oh
Stop
shit!
it.
No, edit.
Not bad. Right, I'm going to insert the relive version of the ride so you can see where we went. Now.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song. Now we beat to death in Tucson. Okay. I know it breaks your
Right, so 20 kilometres done. You know, my trap's looking enormous, look at that. 20, such a weirdo. So that's 20 kilometres done. It is really flat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just be normal.
Right. Be normal. Yes, it's very flat. The race, oh, sorry, the ride was actually relatively flat, but in a car everything feels flat.
Yeah.
But when you're on your bike,
It's totally
flat.
different, it's totally different. But no, it's really good fun. That's going to do it for this one. Thanks, Zaf, we'll do that again.
Thanks, Paul. We'll do that again.
If you've enjoyed the video, click the like button. If you're new to the channel, please also don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Feel this way forever. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.